Want to know how to convert the console output into a formatted output? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy tutorial on how you can ask Cursor to do it in just under a minute. So it's super simple, and let's get right into it. The first things first, you can just simply open up your Cursor AI application. We have created various videos on how to open up Cursor AI and much more, so make sure to watch it. So once everything is done, I have this code right here with me. This is a C# code, and now in order to convert it, there is a simple thing that you can do. Just simply select Ctrl+A on your keyboard, which will select the entire code, and then select Ctrl+K. So I suggest selecting Ctrl+K instead of opening a chatbot, because this should directly convert it. So what you can do is just simply type in convert or format console output. Just do it like this and then select enter. Now once that is done, your generation should start up and it should try to change the format of the code. So once everything is done, you can just simply select keep and you should be good to go. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more similar videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.